So, question for today is regarding ghee or nehi, clarified butter, that is also called. Uh, we all know that it's good for our health, and we are so used to having ghee in our food. But what are the benefits really of having ghee?
Okay, ghee is one of the real good food in terms of its fat component. Okay, so normally cow's ghee is the best in that. So milk more so is acidic food. Curds are acidic, but buttermilk and ghee are alkali food. And ghee is too good for health. Initially, the modern science were practicing something kind of from 19 late 70s onwards, low fat diet, thinking that cholesterol is not good for us, and also they were reluctant on all fat components. So the food science and the biochemistry started understanding many things after the millennium. They understood that fat is highly required. Some amount of fat is required to our body. So if you go through the net, they'll say according to the body mass index how much of fat you should have per kilo of your body, how much of protein you should have per kilo of your body, and all that. But that cannot be considered as universal, because if you take people in Siberia, they eat more of fat because they need a longer period of time not to feel hunger, and their body itself, if you see the Siberian living people in that area, it will have a thick fat layer throughout their body. So it's not a universal fact. Ghee is one of the good fat. Why fat is important to our body is vitamin B and C is water soluble, so that it can dissolve in plasma and then get transported. Vitamin A, D, E and K is fat soluble. So the lipids, once it's dissolved in fat, then the lipids take the transport, the part of it to the all required parts of the body. So these are some of the things which is very important from the molecular science, biomolecular value to understand. But the ghee is one of the most fantastic component. After the millennium, now in the recent 10-12 years, the Western science have understood that ghee is too good for us. So in the bargain, what is happening is a huge amount of ghee produced in India is getting now in the recent 10 years are very highly exported to US. So this is one. But then traditionally speaking, the methodology in which they used to prepare ghee is one of the most beautiful way of doing things. But today it is all done by machineries of huge milk procurement by the milk companies, both belongs to government and private, and they have various machines to separate the fat. That ghee is not that good. It's nevertheless ghee is ghee. But then in the village side and all, if you see, they ferment milk into curd, and then they have their own system of mixing it, and takes a longer period of time. It requires some amount of labor. The traditional way of separating the butter from the curd and the stuff like that, it is a longer job, but it is one of the most wonderful. Those that handmade, we can call it as handmade preparation, in which the ghee is separated, the butter is separated, and then it is melted to ghee, is something which is very phenomenal. And that is one of the thing. And butter is another component which can be used in cooking. If you take a lot of snacks, original good quality snack manufacturers, they mix a little bit of butter in their batter, so that the crispiness and the taste part of all your fried snacks becomes very tasty. but
Right,
all
yeah.
but then one must understand, anything excess is not good. You can use ghee every day in your food, you can use butter every day in your food, but what is the quantity according to your lifestyle is what is most important. As long as you're going to exercise and burn things, within the system, and eliminate all your faulty protein through the sweating and all that stuff, then you can eat your required amount of food. The problem at the moment what we are facing today is, it's a known fact all around the world, the modern scientific community and the present civilization has understood, we are eating more than what is required to us. So that is where the problem starts. So as far as the ghee and butter are concerned, ghee is an alkali food, and ghee and butter plays a lot of role, and it is extensively used in commercial cooking also. So actually ghee is one of the most wonderful food, provided you know your limitation. Okay, thank you.